The moment had finally arrived where the people of Medina were now waiting to receive the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam within their land. Allah Almighty had chosen them to host the Prophet alayhi salatu wasalam, and their city would be the base from where he would begin conveying Islam to the whole world. They were excited. The atmosphere was electrifying. The young and old were ecstatic. Muslim and non-Muslim were now waiting for his reception. They heard that he had just departed from the city of Mecca, and any time now he was going to appear walking into their city. La ilaha illallah. Imagine, young and old, male, female, educated, otherwise, Muslim, non-Muslim, were going out every morning to the outskirts waiting to see if he sallallahu alayhi wasallam had just arrived. And then on one day, a blessed Monday in the month of Rabi'ul Awwal, that moment would begin and it would happen. And what was yesterday a dream was now about to become a reality. Our mother Aisha radiallahu anha vividly describes the moment of his blessed entry into the city of Medina. La ilaha illallah. She said, the people of Medina used to come out every morning and they would go to Al-Harra, which is the outskirts of the city of Medina, to see if they can see if the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam had arrived. And nothing would push them back into Medina but the extreme heat, and that would take them back home. And they would do this day after day. Until one day they went out to look on an unusually hot day. And they were driven back by the sun, but there was a Jewish man standing on a nearby hilltop looking out for him. And there in the distance he saw what all of the Arabs were waiting to see. He saw two men in a shimmering mirage wearing white clothes. And he screamed to the top of his lungs, although he wasn't Muslim. And he said, Ya ma'ashar al-Arab, O assembly of Arabs, هذا جدكم الذي تنتظرون. Here is your leader, your prophet whom you are awaiting. He has arrived. And so the Muslims of Medina were filled with ecstasy and enthusiasm and excitement. And they picked up their weapons in honoring of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his companion Abu Bakr, who had just arrived. They went to the Harra and they surrounded them and swarmed them.